What's good? It's your boy Dre Black, and we're back with another video. Alright, this video is improvised, split-second decision, so the quality is not going to be as great as the other ones. But I came across this issue where I couldn't upload my video to YouTube at the same duration as what it was. So for an example, I had a 58-minute video and I uploaded it to YouTube, and when it was done uploading and processing, it said 28 minutes. And I kept deleting it and re-uploading it like 5 or 6 times and wasted a day and a half. And I realized this happened to me years ago, and I asked myself, how did I fix this? And I remembered how I fixed it, so I'm going to show you guys. This is one way to fix this. This isn't going to fix this for everybody. But I'm using Adobe Premiere Pro as my editing software. If you're watching this video and you're using something else, you might be able to still take the same technique and apply it to your editing software. But I'm gonna break it down what happened. So when this is the video, right? When I'll use this as an example. The original, we'll use 14. The original episode 14, when I clicked on it, right? It wouldn't let me pass 28 minutes. So after this technique I'm about to show you, it should let you. Okay, you see that? At first I couldn't get past 28 minutes. Every time I click here, it'll instantly go back here, and then I'll click all the way down here, and then it'll instantly come back to here. So that's what it was doing before, but it's not doing it anymore. I think it's fixed. So I'm gonna show you how I fixed it. So I open up Adobe Premiere Pro, right? Boom, boom, boom. Hit edit, hit preferences, go to media cache. All right, so the reason I'm showing you this way first is to show you, like, to save you time. You feel me? Remove media cache files. What I did was I went here. It didn't let me choose this option, so I chose this, right? And what happened was it let me get past the 28 minutes, but it stopped at 56. So I had 2 minutes of the video that wouldn't go through. So to fix this, you want to delete all media cache files from the system, okay? I'm not too sure what media cache files are, to be honest with you. So do this at your own risk, do your own research. But the reason why this is locked is because you have to open up Adobe Premiere Pro by itself without a project file in it. So simple fix, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna exit out of this. And then, so for an example, normally I would double click this, right? And Adobe Premiere will pop up. But we're not gonna do that this time. We're gonna go here and open it up, the raw file, you know what I'm saying? Just by itself, no project already in it. We're gonna let that load up. And if you're wondering why I got Tupac on the side, I'm working on this project. I'm making different posters of different people, and Tupac is the first person. So don't think I just got Tupac posters all over my computer. It's not like that. I mean, I have a project I'm working on. All right, so once you get your Premiere Pro open, what I always do, I hit X on this this first little page that pops up right here. I always hit X on this. Once that's gone, same process, hit edit, preferences, media cache. All right, so now you hit delete. Now you see you have this option, delete all media cache files from the system. And you hit OK. I've already done it, so I'm not gonna do it again. It only takes it took me like 10 seconds. It should take 30 seconds or less. So I'm not gonna do it again, but I already done it. And they have other options. You can automatically delete the cache files older than 90 days. You can automatically delete oldest cache files when cache exceeds 91 gigabytes. So you got options, you know what I'm saying? That way you don't always have to come in here and hit the delete. I like to manually come and hit it. Actually, you know what? That's kind of dumb. How about I just not do that? How about I just do this? Make my life easier. Because I forgot this time. So what makes me think I'm not going to forget in the future? So I'm going to just have it set up to automatically delete cache files older than 90 days. So every 3 months, it should come in here and delete everything. Now, but by delete cache files, I think what it means is it deletes them like off of the main folder or whatever. But when you open up a project, the files come back. So I'm gonna go to open project, And then we're gonna go to that same, wait, no, not wrong. We're gonna go to that same project file that we had opened up, right? And then from here, you can click, you gotta click on the timeline right here, right? Make sure this blue line, this blue box is on here. You hit Control M, and then you can put the export menu up, or you can hit edit. I mean, not edit, you can hit file and go down to export, hit media. You could do it that way. And once you get to this page, simple, you know what I'm saying? You just put, you know, put all your settings in there, what you want it to be called, where you want the video to show up. Always click through here, make sure everything is good. Don't touch that, and don't touch that if it's okay, you know what I'm saying? Don't accidentally mess that up. I'm not gonna export it out again because I already did it before this video. So I'm actually gonna close out of this completely, and then now, as I've already showed you, when I click on this, I can get past the 28 mark. You see that? The whole entire video works. I can get all the way to the end of the video. You see that? That's beautiful. That's what it's supposed to do. So now what I'm gonna do is go to YouTube, and we're gonna upload it. All right, so when you upload it, obviously you can click on this and pick the video. I'm a drag and drop type of person. Just depends on how I'm feeling. I just drag and drop. Usually I would fill out all of this information and then hit next, but I can do that after the video is done uploading and stuff. So, and then no, it does not take me an hour to upload videos. It just says that for right now. Only thing I'm gonna hit right now is no, this is not for kids, so I can hit the next button. I'm gonna put it as private, that way I can, you know, edit it and make sure it's good after I'm done. I'm gonna hit save, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all when this is done. And no, it does not take an hour. I don't know why it's saying an hour, so I'm gonna get back to y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, it's finally done. I went ahead and let it process all the way through to HD. Finish processing, so it should say 58 minutes. 58 minutes, baby. So I guess that's it. That's how you get it fixed. And after this video, you know, I'll go in here and add all the information to it and all that jazz. But hopefully, guys, get some information out of this. Hopefully, this helps at least one person. That's my goal. I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. This is my Discord link. If y'all don't know what Discord is like a group chat with me and y'all, where we can like chat together, and I can let you know when I stream, and if I stream on YouTube or Twitch and stuff like that. And you got my Twitter, my Instagram, the DreBlack, you know what I'm saying? Got my Twitch right here, my other YouTube. But yeah, I just want to show y'all that so y'all can see that. And that's pretty much it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, comment down below. Hopefully this video helps at least one person, because I wasted like a day and a half when I could have had a video uploaded yesterday, but I couldn't. So catch y'all in the next one. Peace.